Are you recording?
Yes! Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, guys. So I want you going back today, I so appreciate it. So this week's video I'm really excited about. I have one of my best friends here. You guys have seen him before. It's Flynn. Hi Flynn.
Hi.
How you going?
Good. See, this is what I hate.
Okay. Flynn hates the camera, even though this entire video was his idea.
No, it wasn't. Yeah, it was.
No, so Flynn messaged me the other day. He's like, listen, I really want to do your makeup. And I said, okay, cool, I would love to do that. That's really fun. Because Flynn doesn't know how to do makeup at all.
No.
So this video is not that serious. We don't really know what we're doing. But I think it'll be fun.
It'll be good.
It'll be good.
Yeah.
He wants to do like the makeup. He wants to do like the entire situation. So get ready, strap yourself in. And we're gonna get started. So do you have any ideas for the makeup? What do you think? We won't tell you guys what we're thinking. We'll just let you guys wait and see. Okay, so we're gonna get everything sorted and we'll be right back, and then we'll see you guys in 2 seconds and we'll be started and we'll do it. Bye.
You do, it's just...
This is weird, I never have my makeup done.
This is probably why you don't have eyebrows. No, you do have eyebrows. Is that right?
Uh-huh.
Where is it? Oh my... There is so much crap here.
Fucking unnecessary.
That's actually so gross.
My eyebrows?
Yeah.
Do you watch makeup tutorials?
What's yours? They're not good.
Use that and like do the same.
What is that though?
It's just foundation. Fuck you.
Dirty.
And then just put it straight on.
This is insane. Pretty. Mess. I think this is the part that I'm gonna suffer with.
Really?
It'll look like you've got dirt on your face.
Okay.
I don't know where to go.
Flynn, you do!
But your face.
Like just in here and like around here. Like you can just go all over with this one. Like a one-shot episode.
Circles? Strokes?
I usually do circles, yeah. Because it sort of blends at the same time.
Fucking hair everywhere.
Yeah, see, this is like chill, it's fine. Just need to like bronze me up a little bit.
Fucking hair.
Oh my god.
Cool though, like, yeah. No eyebrows, hair everywhere.
Yeah, this is okay. This is fine.
More?
If you want.
Are you closing? No?
Like underneath.
Yeah.
Ah, sorry. Yep. Flynn! Can you see my eyebrow?
Why do I do this to myself?
I don't know.
I don't know what to do.
Okay.
See, that eye's good. I just can't. Maybe.
This is actually good, Flynn. This is actually good. Oh god, I gotta vomit.
Is that too much? I'm. Close. I'm just gonna, yeah, okay. Oh, I don't even. It's huge.
Okay.
Okay, are we done with that one?
Yes, absolutely. Yes, Flynn! Woo!
Fucking hell. One's, no, they're not
Look at that. I'm so sorry.
Okay, eyebrows.
Oh no.
Don't look down.
Sorry.
Do opposite?
No. You can do it, it's like... Oh, actually, no, I don't know.
Yeah. Do it on yourself would be easy.
A lot easier, yeah.
I'm dragging it out.
You could do opposite.
You're gonna be like wonky. wiggle.
Did you do it? Did you do it?
Can you kind of fix it? Yeah.
Oh my god. I got a really itchy leg. Okay.
Look down.
Oh, sorry.
You're like...
Looks like my face is like 10 kilos bigger than usual. Okay guys, this is the finished look.
So
I
bad.
actually feel like Flynn didn't actually do that bad a job.
Just minus everything.
This glitter on the lid, this glitter is fucking terrible.
Half of the fun part, I get to put her in a wig. Let's go.
Let's do it. I look like Lisa Vanderpump. Okay, so do you like it?
Yeah, I do like it, it's good.
Okay, I just feel like it needs something else.
1 sec, I'll get something.
Okay.
Better! Yeah, that looks great.
Okay.
That's a wrap, guys.
Alright, see ya. Okay guys, subscribe.
You look like a croissant.
I really like it.
Literally like croissant.
Okay, thanks guys, subscribe. Thanks for watching.
What a shit show.